check of your drive times and your traffic. Now here's Paul with a check of our weather today.
Fortunately, the weather not going to cause any additional problems for the morning commute, even though we do have this area of mixed precipitation out to our west. It's going to be running into some dry air, which means it's going to have a hard time moving in initially, but a wetter forecast later today. Take a look at the bus stop forecast. Get the kids out the door if they're heading out the door. Some school districts on spring break this week, so obviously your mileage may vary a bit. Temperatures are chilly this morning. We're going to warm up to the upper 40s, which is warm enough for mostly rain showers, but as the first showers initially move in, there could be a few sleet pellets or snowflakes mixed in. Right now we are dry across the entire mid-state, just dark and early. Now that we're into daylight saving time, we are talking about later sunrise time comes up right at 7 o'clock this morning, so the horizon will be brightening here over the next couple of hours. We're not seeing much cloud cover overhead right now, but despite the clear skies, no fog developing near ground level. That's good news for the morning commute, and those showers are all hanging out way out to our west and northwest. There's the snow, and that dividing line staying just north of a path that would take it into our counties in southern Kentucky. Again, to the northwest of Nashville, you could pick up a few sleet pellets or snowflakes mixed in with your raindrops as it moves in. But the fact that the air over the mid-state is very dry right now is going to eat away at that first wave of rain as it heads in our direction, which is a good thing because it's cold enough right now that we would be worried about road conditions if the precipitation arrived at the moment, but it's not. Upper 20s right now in Nashville, 28 degrees, 26 Murfreesboro, 24 Cookeville and Livingston, but mid-30s in Tullahoma and Lawrenceburg. That slightly warmer air is going to be pulled up across the mid-state in time for the showers to arrive. So temperatures in the upper 30s by 9 a.m., mid-40s by noon, upper 40s this afternoon. Certainly not warm for this time of year, well below average, but warm enough that that snowy stuff off to our northwest should stay to our north and northwest. This is the snowiest forecast model, and it just produces a wet rain-snow mix for the far northwestern corner of our counties in southern Kentucky. The rest of us just see cold rain showers throughout the day. Once they move in, it's going to be pretty wet throughout the afternoon and into this evening. That heaviest rain is off the Cumberland Plateau after midnight, and then enough cold air catches up to the last of the moisture for a few very light snow showers early tomorrow. Accumulations are going to be very limited. If the kids are in school this week, I think it's likely that most of them are going to be heading to school as usual tomorrow. Futurecast adding up the snowfall. It's not impressive. We're talking about a half an inch or less, even in the higher terrain of eastern Middle Tennessee along the Cumberland Plateau and the eastern Highland Rim. But as always, the weather's going to do what the weather wants to do, so we'll keep you posted as we head through the next 24 to 36 hours. Chilly weather is going to last longer than that. Highs only in the low 40s on Wednesday, overnight low temperatures way down in the 20s. Then we start warming up just in time for the next chance of rain on Friday. We'll stay around 60 degrees over the weekend with very slight rain chances, back up to about 70 degrees by the time early next week rolls around.